Hello, I'm Sonic. We will learn about mean value theorem. The mean value theorem states that for a given planar arc between two endpoints, there is at least one point at which the tangent to the arc is parallel to the secant through its endpoints. There are two types of mean value theorems, namely Rolle's theorem and Cauchy's mean value theorem. Let's have a look for Rolle's theorem. A restricted form of the theorem was proved by French mathematician Michel Rolle in 1691. He is best known for Rolle's theorem. For example, f of x is equal to the square root of r squared minus x squared. Let's consider a semicircle, with a unit radius r. The center point lies at the origin, in accordance with the radius. The semicircle can be either upper, or lower. We can substitute x into r as per the satisfaction of Rolle's theorem. F of r becomes 0, as same as the negative r, the derivative of f is 0. Let's consider another example, f of x equals 3x squared plus 2x minus 1, and it's continuous at minus 1 and 2. This is a closed interval. When you differentiate it with respect to x, we can write derivative f of x equals 6x plus 2, and it's differentiable at the open interval, including minus 1 and 2. Then we can now substitute x equals minus 1, so we can write f of minus 1, which is equal to 0. And for the value 2, we can write f of 2, which is equal to 15. Once you write the derivative f of x, you must find the value of x that the derivative value should be 0. As before I said it's 6x plus 2, we get the value x equals minus 1 by 3. Thus we have satisfied Rolle's theorem. On the other hand, we will talk about Cauchy's mean value theorem, also known as the extended mean value theorem, which comes from the French mathematician Louis Cauchy, proved in 1823. If functions f and g are both continuous on the closed interval a and b, and differentiable on the open interval a and b, then there exists some c belongs to a and b, such that derivative f of c divided by derivative g of c, equal to f of b minus f of a, divided by g of b minus g of a. Or in a simple application, we write derivative f of c, equals f of b minus f of a, divided by b minus a. For example, if f of x equals 4x squared minus x plus 2, continuous at 0 and 3, where a equals 0, and b equals 3. Then substituting two values of x just like for a given a and b. At x equals 0, solving them to get the value 2. At x equals 3, again solving, we get the value 35. So we write the derivative f of c equals f of 3 minus f of 0, divided by 3 minus 0. On the right hand side, we write 33 by 3, equal to 11. On the left hand side, we write 8c minus 1, as similar to x. On solving this, we obtain c equals 3 by 2. So we have satisfied Cauchy's mean value theorem. I hope you now know how to apply mean value theorem. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.